Hello friends, let's know how much physical activity should we do. The WHO recommends we should do a minimum of at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic physical activity throughout the week, or at least 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic physical activity throughout the week, or an equivalent combination of moderate and vigorous intensity aerobic activities should be performed in bouts of at least 10 minutes duration. For additional benefits, adults should aim to increase their moderate intensity aerobic physical activity to 300 minutes per week or 150 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic physical activity per week, or an equivalent combination of both moderate and vigorous intensity activity. Muscle strengthening or anaerobic activities should be done involving major muscle groups like legs, hips, back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, and arms on 2 or more days in a week. To be noted, for people with prior health conditions, it is advised they consult a health professional before undergoing additional exercise.